Hello friends, today we have come for the repairing a hand pallet truck on 24 April 2025. So this is the pallet truck which will be repaired. First oil seal and second tandem wheels. So after repair we will be show, and the second is that stacker. So after repair we will be show. After repair the pallet truck is ready for work. The two things of this pallet truck has been changed. First oil seal kit and second these wheels. These are the spare parts who has been changed, wheels and seal. So now it is ready for work. After repair the pallet truck is on the load testing. Now the second turn is of this stacker. The wheels of this stacker will be changed. These wheels. So after wheel change we will be show. The wheels of stacker has been changed. These are the new wheels and it is ready for work now. And these are the old wheels who has been changed. The both of hydraulic stacker and pallet truck has been repaired, and now these are working properly.